Have y'all missed me? I am leaving this job and I am going to pick up my mirror glass. That's been cut. They called me and said it was ready for pickup. So I am going that way. I don't know if I want to stop by the house before I go or just go straight there, because I left something off on the tables. I think it got a lip on it and I wanted to measure that lip, but then again that may be just a waste of time or a waste of money. But anywho, let's see. Well, man, this light's still red, so I'm finna turn on out here, y'all. It's Friday too, and everybody trying to rush to get off work. Woo! And y'all, it is the weekend, and as if when they called me to come and get my mirror glass, when I wanted to do a project, y'all, it's supposed to rain. This whole weekend it's supposed to rain, and then it's supposed to turn back cold, y'all. It's been in the high 60s in the ATL all week, y'all, and they want to wait till yesterday to call me to come and pick up my mirror glass. So I think what I'm gonna do, I might just wait till the weather break and then do it for you guys, because I did want to bring you along on the project that I was doing. But then it's going to be cold and it's going to be raining. I don't know, I might just do my project and then just show it to y'all once it is finished. What y'all think? Y'all think that's a good idea? But I literally wanted to video this project that I was actually doing by putting the glass on. But I still need to get the mirror glue as well as some little fancy knobs. I haven't decided what type of knobs I want to put on it yet, but I really do want to get some little fancy glass diamond knobs to put on it. Alright, bro, you gonna let me in here? Or you gonna speed up? Don't it piss you off when you trying to cut over and they just speed up to keep you from even getting in the next lane? It's like, really? Where's the road courtesy? None down here. They will run you over, and half the time swear it's your fault. Then again, there go that damn fraud, that check. I just was trying to get a check. But anywho, I need to slow this vehicle down, because y'all, I am speeding, trying to keep up with traffic. But yes, I have done my lunchtime videos, or what, as I call them, my lunchtime shenanigans. And y'all, I hope y'all really enjoying those videos, because I really do enjoy making them videos, showing you guys or taking you guys with me on my lunch break, and y'all seeing for yourself the tomfoolery that really goes on, okay? And a lot of places I want to take y'all in with me, but they don't allow camera, or they don't want to be on the camera. So I said, well, dang, that's how you get your footage. But nah, they don't allow that where I'm going anyway. Now, as far as these other YouTube vloggers, maybe it's because they got more subscribers or they get more views on YouTube. But y'all, I've been at this thing now for literally what, almost a year, or is it been a year? And y'all, my following standings are still not high or anything like that. And as you guys know, I told you guys, I am an introvert, so my social circle is very small, okay? And now that I'm doing the YouTube videos, I would like for people to view them. So, again, make sure you share my videos to your friends. You know, just do me that favor, okay? Or as they say, do me that solid, okay? anywho, we are going to the movies tonight. I hope we still going, even though it looked like it may thunderstorm, because the clouds is gray and black and white. They confused again. But as I was walking out the building, I was feeling the sprinkles. So we want to go see Tyler Perry new movie. And as y'all know, I told y'all that I love to watch movies. And that's probably where majority of my money go at, to the movies. Because when something new come out and it interests me, I'm going to see it. But hopefully my honey will go, because it's his turn to pay this time. It's his turn to be a sugar daddy, okay? So I want dinner and a movie, just like I did for him, okay? And believe me, I used to be, or I was considerate of his pockets, but tonight, I am going to do what he do. I'm about the highest thing on the menu. All right, now, y'all, make up your mind what you going to do. And go this four-way stop again, y'all. And these folk act like they don't know when it's their turn to go. It's like, come on. You know who made it there first. You know who made it there second. At least that's how I look at it. Come on. They sitting there looking at each other. So I'm going to just pull on out there. Whew. And y'all, it is warm today. But yes, hopefully the movie is as funny as the previews, because she really did sound like Tyler Perry really did sound like Maya Angelou did. So I really want to see this one, y'all. But anywho, I am going to end this video and try to fight through this traffic to get to the house, or I may just go straight on to the glass place. And we got the po-pos on this road. They just I done passed one and I had to break speed because I didn't want no ticket. And now I'm coming up here and here's another one. I don't know if they stopping people, but the blue light's flashing, y'all. Then again, he just may be sitting there because it's construction. I don't know. But we finna see, okay? But anywho, I got to break this speed right here. And it's like, man. Because I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all, yesterday, what they doing out here? What is they building out here? What is going on? Y'all, I'm trying to be nosy. Here I am rubbernecking. It's like, what are they doing? I want to be nosy. Maybe they might be shooting a movie out there. I don't know. It might be. But anywho, I'm going to stop rubbernecking and going about my business. But again, if I have any new comers coming to my channel for the first time, thank you guys for coming in and check it out. And if you like the content of my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, as well as share, comment. Okay, okay. See, I always be getting off my little ending here. But anywho, let me start over. If I have any newcomers coming to my channel for the first time, thank you for coming in and check out my channel. And if you like the content of the channel, please subscribe, comment, and share the video, as well as hit the notification bell. And to my old subscribers and my new subscribers that I have, thank you guys for being loyal. Thank you guys for continuing to watch my channel, as well as sharing my videos and leaving me comments. And as always, neighbors, make sure you stay blessed, stay faithful. Y'all, I hope this popo ain't coming behind me. Let me see. See, is he gonna turn on them blue lights? Y'all give me a minute here. Let me make sure he ain't trying to stop me. Because I don't want to be one of the ones that's evading the law, okay? Alrighty then. I see he turned to get on the expressway. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all, thank God he ain't stopped me. He came right up behind me. He probably was writing down my tag, trying to check my tag. Do a 27 check on her, 28 check. You know? Making sure my junk is legal. And making sure I ain't wanted. Woo! But anywho, neighbors, stay blessed, stay faithful, and stay hopeful. Okay, now let me get up off this camera before I really get a ticket. Okay? With that being said, y'all, peace.